Loop expressions, so useful. Until you need to end it, that is. Breaking out of a loop, this time on Solving. Hey, and welcome to Solving Effects. In responding to a question on the forums, I opened a can of worms and fell down a rabbit hole. And well, here's 4 different ways to break out of a loop in After Effects. The first method is LoopIn. I know we normally talk about LoopOut, but if I want to end a loop, then with my animation set, hold Alt and click on the stopwatch and type LoopIn, brackets, quotes, ping pong, quotes, comma, 1, end brackets. Watch out for that capital I on LoopIn. After Effects will now bounce the shape from the first keyframe to 1 keyframe after. That's the 1 in the expression. When it gets to the actual keyframes, it proceeds forwards as usual. And look how neat it is lining up on that first one. Now, if you want a whole bunch of animation before the looping, that's trickier. On this layer, I have a checkbox expression control. And my expression looks like this. Basically, if the checkbox is checked, loop the animation between the last keyframe and the previous one. Again, that's the 1. And if it isn't checked, just run as normal. This is a variation on another option, which is split the layer. Splitting the layer is by far the simplest option. You can have whatever animation you want looping, but by setting keyframes on copies of the layer without the expression, you can save yourself a whole bunch of heartache. But if you insist on expressions only, check out LoopIn Duration. That plays the animation from the first keyframe for the specified number of seconds, until you get to the first keyframe. And of course, Dan Abbott's has his own amazing solution. The project file link below has all the options set out, including Dan's code. Copy the expression from that layer to see it laid out. But in a nutshell, you tell After Effects to loop between the keyframes you specify for a number of loops you also specify, and then the layer continues on its way. And last and totally least, or bonus option or whatever, did you know you can combine LoopIn and LoopOut with this simple line? Which of these options suits you? In the description there's a link to a vote. Do you have yet another method for breaking out of the loop? Let me know in the comments and I'll pin it. And if you want more of these Solving FX tips, check out this playlist.